have my signature here and I'll wish to add it to my Outlook so that each and every time I send out emails, they will be signed using this signature. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add your signature in Outlook. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now to do so, log into your Outlook account, then head to settings icon here. From here, go to account under settings, and here under email account, you can see we have signatures option. Click on signatures, and here we have an option to add a signature by clicking here or down here. We are told here you can add and modify signatures that can be added to your emails. You can also choose which signature to add by default to your new emails and replies. Now I'll proceed and click on add signature, and I have to choose whether I want text format signature or an image format signature. So I'll click on insert because I have an image, and then give my signature a name. So I'll write official, and here we go. Once you click outside, now the option for inserting your image will be active. So go to pictures, and this will redirect you to your computer. So mine is under downloads. You can go to the folder that contains your signature and then click on it, then click on open to insert it, and here we go. Our signature has been inserted here. Now you can choose here either to set default for new messages or to set default for replies and forwards. I check the first option, so choose according to your preference and then click on save. By clicking on save, now you'll have your signature added, and each time you create an email, it will go to the center while signed, because this will be added automatically. So that's how you can add signatures in Outlook. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.